This is the Southern Formula 24, the largest of a growing family of new boats made for fishing. Priced from around $75,000 as a bare hull, the range-topping boat draws on more than 60 years of boat building experience from its sister brand, Haynes Hunter. With the 24, Southern Formula has taken a time-proven racing hull and modified it for fishing. The Southern Formula 24 features a Carolina-style flared bow with a variable 21-degree dead rise. This helps it to get up into the plane easily and cut through chop comfortably, yet provide plenty of stability at rest. Everywhere you look, the Southern Formula 24 is geared towards offshore fishing. There's a top deck mounted dive door, 2 live bait tanks in the transom, an underfloor kill tank, and hard-wearing quality stainless steel fittings. The console has plenty of room to flush mount all the electronics you'll need. The more premium seats fitted to our test boat are among the best in the industry. The Southern Formula 24 can come equipped with a single 300 horsepower outboard engine. However, our test boat is fitted with twin 250 horsepower Mercury Verados, providing a big performance punch from its combined 500 horsepower output. Open up the twin throttle controls and the powerful Verados have us punching across Melbourne's Port Phillip Bay at almost 100 km an hour. At more sedate cruising speeds, the 380 litre underfloor fuel tank provides more than 220 nautical miles of range. This is a boat made for long-haul fishing trips, chasing tuna, mackerel or billfish. It's a big, stable and comfortable platform that will perform well in any conditions, even if it's the type of weather that calls an early end to the day's fishing. If these sorts of trips are what you're chasing, this boat should be high on your shortlist.